Stampers! Today I'm going to show you how I made this card, and I used one of the new products in the catalog, and I did this paper piercing along here. That's really cool and super easy to do. So I used, for the saying, I used Petite Pears, which is this one right here. So let me show you how I did the paper piercing part on there first. So I used the decorative label punch, which is this one right here. And I just punched out a Whisper White. And then I used Real Red ink and a sponge. So I just sponged my edges. Because it's white on white, it brought it out a little bit. So that's done, and then you take your white, so then this whole card is on Whisper White. So I'm just going to stick this piece down, and it's not right in the center on purpose. So that looks good right about there. So then you're going to take your mat, and here is the new product. This is called the Paper Piercing Pack Essentials, and you get 3 of these. This is the one with the punches on it. This is the one we're going to use today, but you also get 2 more that you can use with your Big Shot. So we're going to use this one right here, and all you do is place it over your punch and then just pierce the holes. So you're using your paper piercing tool and just going around. Like that. See it up close? All right. Now, for the rest of the card, I used the Bird Builder punch. So I already went ahead and punched out the little bird in Real Red, and then I used Old Olive for the stick or leaf part. So we're going to stick down the leaf part first. You're actually going to want to trim this just a little bit because you don't need the whole thing and it'll stick out from behind. So about right there is good. And then you're going to stick down your bird. He's got something on his nose. Alright. So right there. And then you're going to use a dimensional for his wings so that it sticks up a little bit. Make sure you're putting it on the right side and fits on there perfect. And then you're going to use your pearls for his little eyeball. And then you're just going to go back to your paper piercing tool. And I used the smallest ones that come in the package. And you just lift up one with your paper piercing tool. Sticks right on there. And then that's his little eyeball right there. And then I used StazOn Black for my sentiments. And I did make this a sympathy card, but you can make it whatever you want. But I used Sending Sympathy and Prayers on the front. And then right on the inside, I have To Heal Your Heart, and I put it in the same spot as the front. So that's it. That's all there is to it. Very simple card, very cute. Show you up close. There we go. All right, there you go. Thanks for watching.